Is Adobe Systems crashing because of the AMT Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Access the official AMT Library Diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the AMT Library. The Adobe Malware and Licensing Toolbox Library is a proprietary module used across the Creative Cloud suite, Photoshop, Illustrator, to manage subscription status and feature authorization. It is the primary target for bypass scripts. Consequently, a missing Amtlib.dll often occurs after a failed update or security sweep. Without it, Adobe software will fail to validate its license, preventing the primary workspace from loading. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Amtlib is required for Adobe Systems to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Adobe Systems will repair missing or broken application files. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the AMT library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Installing an unverified version of AMT Library DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Review repair-related information for AMT Library by consulting the Diagnostic utility linked below. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing AMT Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.